boy. At last.
Evelyn.
Howdy. See ya, man. Them call you have absolutely no home training.
You need Chloe?
I've been walking for over 3 miles in the bush. And me tell you, say, my shoes them are burn me, them man feel blind me. I'm put pant up right, you know. Me have to run most of the way. Because I see some cow in our pasture, sister. And then this I look for me, say, you know. And I whisper to them one another.
Come on, the cow them crossing up. But over the whole of them.
My skin feel crawly.
Probably grass lies from the cow them. Kerosene oil will help you. You need a transport.
You work here?
Yes, Jeremiah Jones. Everybody call me gassy. This banner content, they so tell me you have generation up here?
No. Me work for one of the minibus them that run from Kingston to Duppy Tree.
The minibus them don't run up here anymore, no?
I know. We run out of gas on the highway, you know. About 3 miles back.
I just hate highway people. Everybody want to use the highway. Nobody remember the old road and the old town.
No, sir. Not me. Me love old things. Me house full of a source of old furnitures. I even have all chip up in a mill mug when my uncle dead left give me. It's my favorite utensil.
Why you come up here?
A passenger direct me here. Through the shortcut. Just round the corner, I'm say. I should have known better than to listen to that old chiselhead boy.
Who no build the highway and left way up here for suffer?
Me? I know me, Billy.
I just hate highway people.
Careful how you swing that to you know, sir. Why you so miserably?
Leave! If it's help you want, you come to the wrong place.
Why, what a cantankerous old money. Is how your wife tolerate you?
She dead.
Antagonize the poor woman to her death.
I hear you. She dead peaceful, smiling.
I'm glad she glad to get rid of you.
Yeah, go I listen.
All right. No, but I get irritated. Tell me something. You grow with your granny?
Why you leave your brand new highway and come up here?
I need some fuel.
I can't help you. Go back to the highway.
I have money.
Money? How much so?
Yes, sir, you perk up as I hear about money like when Picheri see Jankro.
How much, sir?
Enough to full this gas aisle.
Gas oil? I don't have any gas oil.
No gas aisle?
No, kerosene oil.
Kerosene aisle? Says what sort of gas station this?
Before no build the highway, we used to sell everything. Gas, gas oil, everything.
So, how far it is to a real gas station?
About 5 miles.
5 miles?
Uphill.
Then, you don't know where I can get a bus or a taxi or a robot?
Nothing don't run up here anymore. We's abandoned.
Then you mean to tell me, son, you don't even have a domestic transport system out here?
Well, Uncle, no, you wouldn't interested in that.
In a what?
Uncle that.
Rope? You think that me can swing through tree like me a Tarzan?
Look at the end of the rope, no man.
It's who for this a whole knock-knee donkey. So how it looks so?
She's not a him.
You going to go give me a ride?
Me don't trust nobody with my Dulcimenia.
So what you think say me could have do with she?
Me don't know. You are some queer people walk the ways of the earth, yeah, bro.
Look here now. No because me have a garage for all the little malnourished donkey, you know. You want to come take liberty.
And furthermore, I don't know you. You could be a thief.
Like your pooper.
See a boy?
Me look like thief to you.
You could have passed for one.
If you wasn't such a hole man, you see, I would have answered you in here today.
What if you thief me transport and just disappears?
Thief that? No. I love antique, but I have my limits.
Good. Left me and me antique jackass and walk along where you go.
Look here. Me can pay you for your ride off your donkey, you know.
How much?
$2.
$2. You're impertinent.
All right. $3.
$3. I look like a hungry. I look like a suffer to you.
So what is a reasonable donkey rental rate then?
Well, it's a great risk taking. And furthermore, I don't really know you.
Then you don't think say me taking a great risk if you go climb upon that maga-foot creature?
I have to have a deposit. Just in case you crash and damage me Dulcimenia.
So what's going to happen to me in case Dulcimenia them foot collapse and damage me?
Tell me something. You ever ride a donkey yet?
No.
That's an additional risk.
But that's not a donkey. That's a donkey skeleton.
$300. Nothing less.
You say your face favor for Dulcimenia one?
Well, if you can't meet me price, walk, go on.
Walk, yes?
Yes, I will keep my transport. You keep your money.
And the donkey all look bilious. Before I pay $300 for ride that old donkey there, see, I prefer walk 40 miles through the fertilizer macadam. I stay right here, so. Sleep right here and hug up the cow lice then.
Walk if you want. Sleep if you want. I will keep my transport.
You's a wicked old man. But it's all right, man. I will walk. You keep your old anemic donkey.
Yes, walk, go on. I like how Master Mad Bull lose. Walk.
Mad?
Mad I shad.
Why you say mad?
Because he mad. We call him Rambo. He attack everything down to breeze. He attack Master Tom himself. Walk now.
Mass Gas, I am sure that the two of we can come to a reasonable arrangement about the donkey rental rate.
What you want with me Maga donkey?
Well, you know, at a closer look, she not a maga, you know. She kind of slim. You have to admit that she's slim, not true?
And her Nina, right?
Me never say nothing wrong with the acne, you know. Aye, but you will admit, say the first time I ever see an acne donkey. But if you're an acne fitter.
My price on negotiable, $300. If and when you bring her back safe to me, you get back $200. That is like a deposit, right?